Hey guys, today we're going to talk about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are multi-word verbs, and that means that they usually have 2 or 3 words. Phrasal verbs combine a regular verb, like go, with a particle, which is a preposition, like out, or an adverb, like away. For example, let's go out for coffee, or go away, I want to be alone. Those phrasal verbs have totally different meanings, even though they have the same base verb. Phrasal verbs can be transitive or intransitive. If it's transitive, you need to add something or someone. For example, let's go over your test results. If I don't include test results, it's unclear what you need to go over. So go over is a transitive phrasal verb. It needs to have something else after it. If it's intransitive, it doesn't need anything else after it. It can stay exactly the way it is, nothing else. For example, do you want to come over? You don't need to say anything else. The person will understand that you want them to come over to your house. You don't need to add your house. It's totally okay without it. Some phrasal verbs have different meanings depending on how you use it, so it could be transitive or intransitive depending on how you're using it. For example, the phrasal verb take off can have different meanings. Take off your hat, the plane is going to take off. In this situation, take off means take it off of you. In this situation, it needs to have your hat, so it's transitive. It needs to have something or someone. In the second example, the plane is going to take off, different meaning. We don't need to say anything else. It's okay the way it is with nothing else after it. This example is intransitive. Phrasal verbs can also be separable or inseparable. If the phrasal verb is separable, that means you can take the verb and the particle and take them apart to put another word inside of it. The phrasal verb put away is separable. So in this situation, please put away the laundry. I can take put away, separate it, and the laundry can go in between the phrasal verb. Please put the laundry away is an example of a separable phrasal verb being separated. Both ways are totally okay. Inseparable, meaning it cannot be separated, the phrasal verb is stuck together. We cannot put words in between it. For example, the phrasal verb go over is inseparable. Let's go over your test results is correct. Let's go your test results over does not work. It's incorrect. Go over is an example of inseparable. Now let's go over your questions and do some practice.